How to start a repair on my warranty. It's very straightforward. Just call this number 01254 355 102. And if it's an emergency out of hours, just call this number 0844 693 1910. And one of the team will be with you every step of the way. Warrantywise are here when you need them most. They understand that discovering a fault with your vehicle can be a stressful experience, and they want to make sure that their repair process doesn't add to that stress. That's why their team of experts are here to help and answer any questions you may have. What is the repair process? Firstly, it's important to note that once you suspect a fault with your vehicle, you shouldn't drive it, as that could invalidate your warranty. So, step 1. If you suspect a fault, contact Warrantywise directly or any VAT-registered garage of your choice. Step 2. The repairing garage will diagnose the fault with your vehicle. That's at your own expense, but a reasonable diagnosis will be reimbursed if the repair request is authorised. Step 3. Once the garage has identified the fault with your vehicle, they need to complete the online assessment form. Step 4. A Warrantywise technician will review the assessment. It's really important you wait for approval before any work is carried out. This ensures that the repairs are covered under your plan and helps you avoid any unexpected costs. Step 5. Your authorised repairs are then carried out. No matter what happens, Warrantywise aim to keep you informed at every step of the process. The team are here to help and make sure that your repair experience is as smooth and stress-free as possible. More details can be found on the website.